In this video, we will compare Vectorshift versus Voiceflow. Vectorshift and Voiceflow serve completely different purposes, catering to a different type of user, but they're both powerful tools in their respective fields. Vectorshift is a portfolio management and trading software designed to help investors make informed decisions about utilizing advanced market analysis tools. Its key features include trend analysis, automated buying and sell signals, and stock ranking based on momentum. Its platform is tailored to active traders and investors who want to manage multiple portfolios, analyze stocks deeply, and receive real-time alerts for market movements. However, the software can be intimidating for many beginners due to its complexity. On the other hand, Voiceflow. Voiceflow is a tool for building voice applications and conversational AI experiences. It allows users to design, prototypes, and develop voice interfaces like Alexa skills or Google Assistant without needing to learn any coding. Voiceflow is a drag-and-drop interface which is intuitive, making it easy for non-developers to create sophisticated voice interactions. The platform is widely used for businesses and developers to create a voice-powered experience to engage many users. While it excels in the realm of voice design, Voiceflow does not cater to traders or investors, or the lack of financial analytics and markets. In summary, Vectorshift is ideal for those looking to make a data-driven decision, while Voiceflow is perfect for those who want to create a voice-powered app with no coding knowledge. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.